Hi guys, my name is Julia and welcome to my channel, a peaceful place in the sometimes overwhelming world. Today I woke up and decided I want to give myself a little makeover. Since I dyed my hair red, I entered my rockstar era, rocking my rockstar t-shirts, and I thought, what if I also will change a little bit my hairstyle? Maybe not a little bit. I totally got inspired by 70s rock and roll stars, shaggy haircuts, messy, uneven. I really like it. I never had the haircut like this before. I used to have for a very long time different kind of bob haircuts, but never this one. So I decided why not to try it, and I thought why not to take you together with me on this creative, crazy and fun journey, right? So in this video I will show you an easy way how you can cut your own shaggy haircut at home by yourself. By the way, I just want to mention I'm not the professional hairstylist, but I have been cutting my own hair for I think already 20 years. I don't even remember my last visit into the salon. I cut and dye my own hair at home for so many years, and first of all I do it because I hate when other people touch my hair. They get close to me, they are just like all around me for an hour, sometimes two, sometimes three. So I cannot stand this. I don't feel comfortable. I don't like it. If you're ready, let's do it. Let's go into my bathroom.
Welcome to my bathroom, guys, and let's start the makeover. This is one of the easiest haircuts I've ever done, so don't feel intimidated. You can do it. Anybody can do it. And the main secret of this layered haircut is sectioning. We will be creating 3 sections, and that's it. Not expensive tools, not crazy techniques, just right sectioning. And right now I'm doing the first section, which starts from the very crown, yes queen, from the very crown of your head and kind of follows to the end of your eyebrow. So you create this diagonal line. Of course you will also need sharp scissors, but if you don't have super sharp scissors, don't worry, try it. It might look also interesting and messy and really layered. Experimenting should be fun, right? The same thing we are doing from the other side. Take all the hair from this section and tie into a ponytail and place it not on the very forehead but on the very crown of your head. Tie it and it will be the first section. Right now we need to section the back of our hair into 2 main sections. Do the best job you can, it will look good. So now we have 2 other sections, and we need to tie another pony right above the ear. So try to take all of the hair and move it from the back of your head to the front, so the back of our haircut will be longer and the front will be shorter, which also will create the layer. The same thing I will do from the other side. So I take all the hair, move more to the front and tie 1 more pony. Right now I'm looking like an alien, and that's okay. This is what it takes to get a good haircut. So as you can see, 3 hair sections, 3 ponytails, and I think that's quite an easy pattern to make. When I'm cutting my hair, I like to wet them because it makes less mess. And now let's start cutting our first layer. And as you can see, here is one more secret. Don't make a blind cut. You do perpendicular cut, so you kinda go in vertically, not horizontally. And you chop a little bit by a little bit all of the hair pieces that are sticking out, trying to make as straight as you can. But here the main advice: don't hold your scissors horizontally, hold it vertically. Don't chop a lot. You can always go back and trim more, but you cannot glue your hair back. So if you are quite confident and you like experimenting, go for it. If you don't, then try to do a little bit. Now let's go to the second section. Here, as you can see, I'm trying to stop myself from being too adventurous. Let's start with a little bit. We will chop off all of this, and here also hold your scissors vertically. That's how you create this a little bit messy and also kinda, it's a vibe. It's a vibe. Use your comb to go through hair, because sometimes you just lose little strands, and when you comb it once again, you will see what is still sticking out, and cut it. Do it to your best ability. We are not striving to be perfect. And the same thing from the other side, and here I always check the alignment, so I will not make one section shorter, another longer. And same, cutting old hair off. And also that's a perfect haircut when you need to trim your dead ends, because it kinda trims hair all over your head and it looks so much lighter and healthier afterwards. Here I'm also doing yoga and gymnastics, as you can see. Final check, okay. Always do final check. Okay, let's see. This is always my favorite moment. It's exciting and always looks good. I've never done super bad haircut, so let's see the other side. As you can see, the thing that we moved our ponytails more towards the front of our head made this layer, so from the back hair is longer and from the front is shorter. And I really like how red color looks with this haircut. Yeah, I'm kind of obsessed. And now, the most important part. I always think this crown part is the most important. Okay. It feels so good to cut your own hair and feel how it gets alive. Right now, I will also rather trim my bangs because they are too long. And this is also a very easy technique I always use. I kind of separate the triangle. In my case, I already had bangs, so I have kind of guidelines. If you don't have bangs and you want to try it, you kind of separate triangular section. And then you cut it. And what I like to do, I always twist 1, 2, 3. 3 times, and then with the same movement of perpendicular cut, we're not cutting horizontally, only vertically. I shorten it. And as you can see in this video, I will do it a couple of times because I rather do it 3 times than I will cut too short. But even if you will cut too short, nothing bad will happen because hair grows so fast, in a month or 2 your bangs will be so long. So I'm going once again and check if I like it. Once you already section it, then I leave side parts and take only middle and cut it shorter because I want to have it kinda longer from the sides and shorter in the middle. And right now I will style it to show you the final result, because of course this haircut needs a little bit of styling to show off all the layers, and I realized it also works so good to give your hair a little bit more volume. Maybe not even a little bit, it's giving you quite a lot of volume. Okay, are you ready to see the final result?
Ta-da! I really like the results. I think this haircut gives you so much more volume and life to your hair. It has so much more character and you can play with it. And to be honest, it doesn't require some professional styling. You just dry your hair and it's good to go. And I think the messier the better. It looks cool and effortless, and to be honest, I really like. And you know, there's nothing better than the feel of freshly cut hair. It kind of feels so alive and so fresh, and I really like it. So guys, let me know in the comments what do you think. If you plan to give yourself this little makeover, or maybe you already did it, let me know the results. And if you guys new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe if you like creative and peaceful content, and especially if you like flowers. If you don't know what I mean, just check out my channel. Thank you guys so much. Have fun with your haircut. Good luck and take care. Bye.